In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add formula to Miro. By the end, you'll know how to bring clean, readable math right onto your whiteboard using a simple app from the Miro marketplace. Start by heading to Miro.com and opening your dashboard. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want to work. If you're part of a team, it helps to have the right permissions to create boards and install apps so everything goes smoothly. From the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New, and then choose Board. This gives you a fresh canvas to experiment with. You can use an existing board if you prefer, but a new one keeps things tidy while you set everything up. Inside the board, find the plus icon on the toolbar. Depending on your layout and screen size, it may appear as a small plus or an apps button. Click that to open the app options connected to your board. This is where you can add tools that expand what Miro can do. Next, select Marketplace. The Marketplace is Miro's library of apps and integrations. It's designed to help you add specialized features without leaving your board, and it's the quickest way to bring formulas into your workflow. In the Marketplace search bar, type Easy Math. You're looking for an app named Easy Math, which provides a straightforward way to input mathematical expressions and display them neatly on your board. When you see Easy Math in the search results, click it to open the app page. You'll get a short overview of what it does and the permissions it needs. This is normal for Marketplace apps, and it helps the tool interact with your board. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. If your workspace has stricter controls, you might need approval from an admin, but in most cases, you'll be able to proceed right away. After allowing access, the app will be added to your board and ready to use. With Easy Math installed, you can type your formula directly into the app's input field. Use standard math notation like plus, minus, parentheses, and exponents with the caret symbol. Many common expressions render automatically into clear, formatted math. Insert the result onto your board, then move, resize, or align it just like any other object in Miro. If you need to tweak the expression, open the app again, adjust the input, and reinsert an updated version. That's all you need to add formulas to Miro. Open your board, grab Easy Math from the marketplace, allow access, and type your expression. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building math-friendly boards with clarity and confidence.